as a member of District 60 Advanced Speakers Toastmasters Club, one of the things we encourage people to do is to make their profile public so that when guests or potential members come to visit our club, when they click on Meet Our Members, they see who exactly is a member of a club. It's helpful as we think about our Toastmasters experience, and when we're looking for a new club, we want to know who's already there. It can be a fantastic PR opportunity. So how exactly do you get your profile to show up? Well, first of all, you must be logged in. You must be logged in to Free Toast Host. Once you're logged in, go to the Members Only tab and you see an option that says Edit Your Profile. If you click on Edit Your Profile, you have a variety of options. In the Basic Information tab, what you want to ensure is that you have a blue square and a check mark beside check to be included on the public Meet Our Members page. This is what will actually have your profile show up on that page. Then you complete your information as you would like it to show up. You can add email settings. Do you want to be able to have people send you an email? Maybe you want to include social links. Maybe you've got a YouTube channel, or you'd like to include your LinkedIn profile link. You can add them here. And then under member bio and photo, this is where you have an opportunity to include your member bio and upload your photo. So we encourage you to do both of those things, include both a photo and a description of what it is that you are hoping to get out of your experience in the D60 Advanced Speakers Club, as well as, of course, a little bit of information about yourself. Hopefully you find this helpful and able to then go and create a profile so that you show up on the Meet Our Members page.